Hi, I'm Sarah Gorey, Director of Security Architecture at Aquia. I'm here to talk about overcoming the challenge of securing multi-cloud environments. Many organizations ask themselves, should they adopt multiple cloud platforms or should they go all in on one? There are pros and cons to both. With multiple cloud platforms, you have the flexibility of not being locked into one vendor. You have options for services beyond what one platform can offer, but you also have a larger and more complex environment that needs to be managed multiple times over because it has to be done uniquely for each environment. There are ways to tackle this so that you can centralize some things, but some things you can never centralize. So you have to accept that there is an inevitable increased operational burden associated with multiple cloud platforms. This is true for security, but also true across the board. There are trade-offs here that can make that a worthwhile endeavor for your organization still. There are some things that just work better in other cloud platforms, both from a security perspective, but also to meet your business needs. Vulnerabilities are going to look different in different cloud platforms. That means you're going to need a depth of expertise to understand what that looks like, what to do about it, and that means that you're going to need to be very thoughtful about how you invest in the skills and expertise for these platforms in your organization. Now, there are things that you can do to centralize and standardize the way that you operate to the extent that you can. Tools like a CSPM platform, leveraging a SIEM where all of your data goes. These are all things that you can do multi-cloud across multiple platforms to help try to reduce some of this burden. And one very important thing to consider is how you manage your environment and how you deploy to your environment in multiple clouds. And for that, you want to focus on deploying in code as consistently as possible. Standardizing on an infrastructure as code platform like Terraform means that it'll be easier to transfer what you do from cloud platform to cloud platform, which makes you more flexible than if you are operating in each cloud platform individually. And in addition to that, you can actually look at what you're building and assess and evaluate against it to find security flaws and issues as well. If you're looking for support in securing your environment in your multi-cloud journey, contact us because Aquia would love to help.